Welcome to class 8 Mathematics, Chapter 9 Algebraic Expressions and Identities. Exercise 9.1, question number 2. Classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials, trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these three categories? Questions are given here. So we can start writing the answer. Solution, we can make the three columns for monomial, binomials, trinomials, and the last one is for other categories. That means polynomials or the polynomials with the more than 3 terms will write in other categories. So let's start. Look at the first question, first expression, that is x plus y. It has 2 terms, so it will come in the category of binomials. Next one is 1000, only a single term, so it is coming in monomials. And the third one, it has x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. The third expression has 4 terms, so we can write it in other categories. That is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. Next question, 7 plus y plus 5x. It has 3 terms, so it is called trinomial. So we can write it in this column of trinomials. And the next one, 2y minus 3y square. The expression has 2 terms, 2y and minus 3y square. So it will come under binomials. Next one, 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. Here you can see the terms are 2y minus 3y square and 4y cube. So it is trinomial. Minus 3y square plus 4y cube. And the next one, 5x minus 4y plus 3xy is the expression which contains 3 terms, 5x minus 4y and 3xy. So it comes under trinomials. And the next one, 4z minus 15z square, which has 2 terms, 4z and minus 15z square. So it is called binomial. So we can write it here, 4z minus 15z square. And the next expression is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which contains 4 terms. So we can write it in other categories, that is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. And the next one is PQR, a single term. So it comes under the category of monomials. And the next expression is P square Q plus PQ square. That means P square Q is 1 term and PQ square is the other term. 2 terms are there, so it comes under the category of binomials. And the last one, 2p plus 2q, it has 2 terms, so it is also called binomial.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.